Dumas.
Familia moro e kaunti ma Nairobi dwaro duoko kaluwore gi tho mar miyo mane e yach e kar od thieth ma Mama Lucy Kibaki bang' yudo thieth mar pudho lak. Kaluwore gi familia no, miyo no ma ong'ere kaka Ivona Munai ne chiegni konyore e kinde mane otimne thieth mar pudho lak. Giwacho ni ne ok okaw pachgi kapok ne otimne thieth mar pudho lak, ka nyaka sani gipenjore gima omiyo ne omuk lake e kinde mane ochiegni konyore. Giwacho ni chala mare ne omedo bedo marach bang' thiedhno, kama bang'e to nowito e ngimane.
Alikuwa na shida ya meno, ndio nikachukua hatua ya kumpeleka hospitali Mama Lucy. On Wednesday asubuhi, kusema kweli nilikuwa na bad feeling. Nikasema acha nitoke mapema kidogo, niende nikamuone juu hiyo jana alikuwa na shida ya kupumua na alikuwa amevimba, so ilibidi niamke asubuhi. Kufika huko nikaulizia details za mgonjwa juu mahali alikuwa amewekwa wanaume hawaruhusiwi kuingia. Wakati niliambia security amuite, wakasema hapana, huyo msichana mwenye unaitisha alipelekwa theater asubuhi ya saa 12. Tukakaa hapo nje ya theater ndo tukaruhusiwa kuingia ndani, tukapata Viona amekufa.
The hospital did its best in terms of management, medically, and of course surgically. On the morning she was supposed to have gone to theater for an emergency intubation. However, unfortunately, she passed on. What the deceased had is a life-threatening condition, and this was worsened by the fact that she was expectant.